Alright guys, so after saving your designs in Pixellab, you head straight to your browser and type in photop.com. So this is the site we use to mock up the design. So you wait while the site loads, and then when it's done, at the left upper area you see the file. So you just click on that file and then click on open. So this open will lead you to your file storage where you will upload the PSD mockup. So the link to this PSD file will be on the description. So you just need to import that exact PSD file so you'll be able to mock up the logo. Right? So I'm just going to search on that exact PSD file which I want to use. And this is it. I just need to click on it, and then I'll wait while the site uploads the PSD. So as you can see, it's loading the PSD file, so we just need to wait. Sometimes this may take a while, so you just need to be patient enough. Alright, so let's wait while this will load the markup. So while waiting, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, I upload design tutorials on graphics, on logo design, flyer design, and any design related tutorials. So you just need to subscribe and click on the notification icon so you can get notified whenever I release a new video on this